Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your Friday Love Bite. So these are general collective readings, Aries, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's see what's going on in your love life and what is the most important message that you need to hear today, Aries. And welcome back all my subscribers. Welcome in newbies. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy the reading. We welcome you in. So the first card I have here for you, Aries, is the Hermit in reverse, Queen of Wands, and the Five of Cups. The Judgment, Five of Swords, Ten of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Moon, and the Ace of Pentacles. All right, so Aries, the whole underlying energy of this reading is that barriers need to be put down, or somebody wants the other person to put their barriers down now. So, all right, what I'm going to do now, first I'm going to start with your dialogue message cards, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. Okay, so let's see if Aries and their person had to say something to each other. What would that be? What would that be, Spirit, for Aries and their person, if they could say something to each other now? Thank you. Another three from here. Aries and their person. Thank you. And let's take some messages from the heart as well. Thank you. All right, good to go, Aries. Let's see what's happening. And yes, by the way, I hope to get your birthday special out this Sunday, the 21st, to look out for it. Okay, the first card says here, it's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by my status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, and proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul? Maybe one partner has always been very into, brands and money and big cars, and the other person saying, hey, isn't that like little old-fashioned now? All this is all farce. You should see what's in my heart and my soul for you. Second card says, I know you think you broke me, but don't give yourself so much credit. I'm not porcelain. I might have a few cracks, but I let the light in and allowed it to shine back into the world. Don't worry about fixing me so much as you should worry about fixing yourself. All right, third card says, I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. So one person just kept giving and giving and giving, and the other person kept taking and taking and taking. And I think somebody has kind of realized that they were getting taken advantage of, and now has come back into their full power. Okay, next card says, I believe the best is yet to come. Keep praying, stay positive, and keep believing in us. Somebody wants the saga to keep going on. Okay. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. Again, manifesting their person to come to them. Not making an effort to go to the person who they've hurt. You're all I've ever truly wanted in my life. You are my everything. I don't expect you to wait for me, but I hope you understand I need time. I'm overwhelmed with obligations. You're all I desire. So Aries, if you're resonating with these messages, let's start this reading and see what message wants to come for you now. And before that, I'm going to take one blessing here for this reading from my angels. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Aries gang spirit. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Aries. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Thank you. Mother, it's time to take care of yourself, Aries. Just as a mother looks after her child. I think a lot of Aries have been through a lot of trauma with this person. And yes, like this card said, I'm healing myself. I tried to help you with all your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. And I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. It's time to give yourself lots of nurturing, lots of loving, lots of caring to take care of yourself right now. It's about self-love. Okay, so let's start with the reading. Hermit in reverse, spirit. Somebody feels they've made a big foolish mistake. They made a very unwise decision regarding this Queen of Wands. Yes, they never made a decision here about a commitment. Somebody is feeling, oh my God, I didn't make a wise decision here. I didn't choose. I had my heart covered and I didn't choose to commit to this beautiful Queen of Wands, which is an Aries card. Now, masculine, feminine doesn't matter, okay? The whole character of this card is, it's an Aries card, it's a fire card, it's a card of somebody who's dynamic, who's successful, who everybody wants to be around, that go-getting energy. So somebody is now feeling that they made a very unwise decision regarding this Queen of Wands. So, yeah, because this Queen of Wands is no longer waiting. This Queen of Wands has decided to turn their back on this connection and go and see what else is out there. And because they've done that, the other person who didn't make a decision is now full of regret and sorrow about the way things have not worked out. Five of Cups, spirit. Five of Cups. Yes, now they're realizing all their mistakes, all the rash words that they've already spoken, which they can't probably take back now, all their rude behavior, all their in and out behavior, and not making a decision. They never made a decision. They were always kind of behaving like somebody who's not trustworthy. Now this person has a lot of regret seeing their own reflection and seeing what they've done. So what's this Judgment, spirit? Yes, they feel their partners now cast a judgment on them and no longer kind of willing to flow with the energy and move with them. They feel now like the loser. They feel I was the one playing games and I'm the one who lost. Right? So somebody is feeling very defeated at their own games right now. Five of Swords, spirit, in reverse. And the Ten of Swords. Yeah. So they feel they made a huge mistake. All their games, what they played, they were trying to maybe, take out the shine of this Queen of Wands. They tried to kind of put her upside down, but instead they are the ones who've kind of created this stagnancy, and now they are the ones who are feeling eventually I'm the one who lost, because now they feel the exciting passion that they felt with this Queen of Wands is no longer available. There is no movement anymore. Things have totally stagnated and halted here. So, yes, maybe somebody lied here. What's this Ten of Swords, spirit, in reverse? Ten of Swords. Yep. Somebody lied here. They were cheating. They were behaving like a player. And somebody caught them. And now things have totally ended between the two of you. The other person who was the cheater, liar, who never gave the truth, is now feeling defeated. Yes, this person is feeling ashamed and embarrassed now. They're feeling ashamed, they're feeling embarrassed about the way they treated this partnership and never gave equal give and take. Now they do have this 10 of Pentacles and the Moon card in reverse, which means they want to speak some kind of truth about some commitment. Let's see what that is. What's this Moon card in reverse, Spirit, and the 10 of Pentacles? What's this Moon card in reverse and the 10 of Pentacles? They want to come and tell this Queen of Wands that actually, you know, you make me very happy, and that's the real truth, is that I'm the one for you. You were made for me. I was made for you. Now I'm going to kind of become that person that you've always wanted me to be. I'm going to now show you that I can take care of everything and provide and be that perfect person that you've always wanted me to be. You make me really, really happy. And yes, here, this is what I can offer you, and let's be happy together. This is the secret that they've been hiding all along and playing games, but this is the actual truth. So why is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse then, Spirit, if that's what they want to say? Why is the Ace of Pentacles in reverse? The High Priestess has already made a decision here. Somebody is saying, I'm not going to now rush back into something. I'm going to hold my own. I know everything. Whatever secrets there were, I'm already connected to my spiritual guides, and I already know what's been going on. So right now, I'm making a decision that I'm not going to say yes immediately. Okay? So why is that, Spirit? Who's this saying no? Yeah, somebody wants to, the other person who's getting the offer now wants to either take it very slow or maybe not at all. They feel, heart of hearts, I think this person feels, oh my God, my wishes are coming true, my soulmate is back. But in reality, what they are telling the person who's coming back, ashamed and embarrassed of their actions, they're telling them, hey, listen, this time I'm not going to do the talking. I'm going to just sit here and listen. I'm going to listen and hear you talk. After that, maybe after I have all the secrets out, whatever you haven't been saying, after that, maybe I'll make a decision. Till then, let's just take it really, really slow. I'm not rushing into a brand new beginning with you. Sorry. So, yes, what's this? 7 of Wands in reverse then, Spirit? Are these two putting their barriers down? Putting their guard down, Spirit? Somebody is hoping for it. Somebody is hoping for it. Somebody wants to bring back justice into this relationship, but they're a little afraid of the Queen of Wands, who's now turned into the Queen of Swords now. As much as they want to come out of this stuck position in their life, they are very, very scared. So I don't know what's going to happen. We'll check more into the real thing in the next reading with your love read, but right now things are up in the air. But this person does want to. Anything else, Spirit? This is kind of unfinished business. Anything else you can give me? Anything else you can give me for this weekend love bite? Yep, this is in the offing. The 4 of Wands is in the offing, and it's in the upright, Aries. So expect some movement. So somebody does want to start a brand new beginning immediately. They want to come and say, hey, let's just be happy together, blah, 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 and let's kind of, you're the one I want, and let's get married. But the other person is going to say, okay, this time I listen, you talk. And I want the truth, the complete truth, and nothing else. And that's going to kind of scare this person off a little bit. Okay? If they're expecting to be mothered, not going to happen. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Next time then, Aries, love and light. Take care. Namaste.